Hi, my name is Marcus Borman. I'm here today to introduce one of our latest innovations, the RIDGID PEX 1 press tool. We designed the PEX 1 for easy, one-handed use in the tightest of spaces. The tool has an ergonomic inline design for all-day comfort. At 16.5 inches long, the short frame of the PEX 1 enables you to work in tight overhead spaces, and it's light too. With dies and battery inside the tool, it only weighs 5.8 pounds. That's 25% lighter than other in-class battery-powered PEX press tools. If you've been pressing PEX, you know the struggles of using manual tools. These tools require two-handed operation. You need two hands to open the tool, an additional hand to keep the fitting in place, two hands to make the connection, and two hands to back the tool off of the fitting. The PEX 1 changes all of that. This tool is purpose-built for one-handed operation. Simply slide your hand under the strap and tighten for greater control in overhead spaces. If you are a southpaw, just flip the metal piece at the front of the tool to the other side and you are good to go. To open the jaws, place your thumb over the jaw lever and push down. Once the jaws are secured over the fitting, release your thumb and depress the trigger for a quick 5-second crimp. To back the tool off, you press down again with your thumb and you are ready to make your next connection. The PEX 1 makes connections from 1/2 through 1 inch on both the ASTM F1807 and the Viga PureFlow and PEX press systems. You can quickly change between sizes and systems, all with the same tool, by popping the dies out and putting a new set of dies into the tool. This helps you work through multiple size connections with ease. This tool has all-day power. Our traditional kit comes with two RIDGID 12-volt advanced lithium-ion 2.5 amp-hour batteries. Each battery gets more than 150 presses per charge. With the two LED lights at the front of the tool, the RIDGID PEX 1 helps you make faster connections in low-light, tight spaces like in a basement or crawl space. The PEX 1 kit includes the PEX 1 tool, two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries, battery charger, a full set of dies, either ASTM F1807 or Viga PureFlow, and a high-quality work bag. The RIDGID PEX 1 gives you a tool that's economical, lightweight, and gets in and out of the tightest spaces quickly. Check out the new RIDGID PEX 1 and start pressing PEX with one hand today.